Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Errors and Actions. In this video we will gain some knowledge about how to upgrade our memory, means RAM, in our laptop or desktop. You see, when you are going to purchase a new memory for upgradation of our computer and laptop RAM, we must have follow below steps. Number 1, we must have knowledge about the category of memory which one is required for our system. That may be like DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4 or DDR5, which is released newly. And second step, when we have knowledge about the FSB, front side bus frequency, which is the most important thing. If FSB mismatched, the speed of the computer will decrease, or there may be possibilities of blue screen error, which is called as memory error. Then come to 3, your motherboard must support that FSB of memory which you want to upgrade. Then step 4, this is the bus architecture between CPU, chipset and memory. You see, this is the figure of memory architecture. This is the bus frequency, front side bus frequency, memory and between chipset, and there is a backside bus frequency between CPU and L2 cache. Come to my memory chart table. You see, go through the RAM, which is called as memory details. This is DDR1 memory. This capacity is like this, and the FSB is like this, and the PC code is like this mentioned. Here there is a PC code is given here. You see, this is the PC code and it is 256 MB capacity and a FSB 266. This is memory DDR2 type, and capacity, FSB and PC code you check. This is the DDR3 memory. This is the capacity type and FSB and PC code. Here is also a PC3 memory. For example, PC3, it is, you see, PC3 12800, which is PC code, and FSB is 1600. Then this is a DDR4 memory, this type of capacity and FSB and PC code. You go through the details. This is the new memory launched DDR5. These are the capacities and these are the FSB and PC code. You please go through the chart details and purchase your perfect memory. You see, the memory photographs will be like this.